What's the meaning of cramped? Cramped. Cramped.
Cramped. Cramped. Cramped means something is confined or restricted in space or size, causing discomfort or inconvenience to those present. The result of a cramped space can range from physical discomfort such as muscle cramps and aches, to psychological stress caused by feelings of claustrophobia or being trapped. A cramped space can also create hazards such as tripping or bumping into objects due to lack of space, and compromised air quality due to reduced ventilation. Overall, being in a cramped space can have negative effects on both physical and mental well-being, and should be avoided when possible.